The Nasdaq continues its sell-off in the biotech sector. When we checked during the midday, it was down roughly about 40 points. Well, now the selling has taken hold. It was down 100 points at one time, and now it seems to have trimmed those losses, but only a little bit. Joining us now is Adam Feuerstein from Boston. So, Adam, we know the biotechs have been very volatile as of late. What's happened today to cause this extreme selling?
You know, today is really, I mean, it's a continuation of selling that we've seen in biotech. You know, really all of March was terrible. You know, I think that there was a feeling that, you know, the end of the quarter had come and gone, and that maybe what we were seeing sort of at the end of March was a lot of window dressing and people trying to get out of some bad stocks, and then, you know, April would roll around and people would start buying again. But the past 2 days in biotech have been, you know, just a lot more selling. So it's kind of just, you know, it's sort of it's just kind of rolling downhill right now. You know, as we speak, you know, the IBB is, you know, it's down about 4%.
It seems like it's been really extreme. Is it the volumes that are the extremes? Is it the amount of stocks that's been selling? What's causing these really volatile moves?
I think it's all of those things. You know, I think that there was certainly a lot of stocks in biotech that had been relatively overvalued, kind of frothy, and those stocks have sold off. But, you know, a lot of the quality stocks have sold off too. You know, the thing, you know, generalist investors sort of pouring into biotech over the last year and a half has helped the biotech sector, you know, greatly outperform the market. Now, a lot of those same investors are now getting out of biotech, and that's kind of why we're seeing all of this selling.
What kind of percentage have we seen since the beginning of the year?
Well, it's interesting. You get, you know, at one point, sort of towards the end of February, you know, biotechs were up like 20%. Okay, so to give you a sense of kind of how dramatic the selling has been, you know, we've gone from sort of up, you know, plus 20% at the end of February to right now where the biotechs are actually now in the red for the year. We are now negative year to date. So that's really kind of just in about a month's worth of trading. You know, we've given back all the gains in biotech.
All right. So what is your guess that we're going to see this continue?
I have no idea, Deb. You know, like I said, I think that there was some hope that we'd see a recovery or stabilization when April rolled around, and we have not seen that. You know, we're seeing a lot of selling in the high growth, the beta stocks right now. There's rotation out of biotech. I don't know what sort of stops that from happening. If maybe we get some M&A, you know, some good news in biotech that kind of gets people back into the sector, gets people confidence going again. You know, this kind of selling begets selling. You know, and when sentiment gets negative, it just sort of has a snowball effect, and I think that's what we're seeing right now.
All right, thank you, Adam. Thanks. That's Adam Feuerstein checking in with us from Boston, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.